It is now 4 p.m. on June 21st, Beijing time. Yesterday, the video suggested that EURUSD should sell short above 1.0966. After the release, the highest was 1.0947, which was 19 points away from the entry point. It fell to 1.0893 ahead of schedule, with a total drop of 54 points. Then there is gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to go long in 1939 to 1927 and put a stop loss at 1928. At 8:30 p.m., two U.S. economic data were better than expected, and the market is also speculating that Federal Reserve Chairman Powell will deliver a hawkish speech this week. In order to boost the expectation of the Federal Reserve raising interest rates in July, the price of gold was priced and dropped to a minimum of 1929.8. Some long orders reached the entry point. The cash price is in the buying range of 1935. Hold it first, and Laudai will also watch the market trend in the group to do real-time tips. In addition to manually doing intraday signals, Laudai's master account has been using EA programs to make high-weight targets, such as EURUSD and GBPUSD. From June 1st to today, the net profit is $12,563. If interested, you can add the contact information at the top of the screen to find me and ask for the observation password, and you can log in to see the whole process of real-time operation. The password will be disclosed for a week, and if it is suitable for you, consider joining the traders group or participating in account management business. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. There is no major change in news from the Eurozone. The focus this week is on the speeches of Fed officials and the decision of the Bank of England on Thursday. Last night, the United States released two hot housing data, which is expected to echo the hawkish speech made by Fed Chairman Powell last week. The trend in EURUSD has fluctuated below 1.0940 for 4 consecutive days. If there is no further news of bullish euros, it will be more difficult to rise. It is recommended to short sell EURUSD at 1.0959 to 1.1025 and put the stop loss at 1.1034. As for gold, it was recommended to go long below 1939 yesterday, and some long orders reached the entry point. The cash price has fluctuated around 1935 for nearly 2 hours, and the support is still valid. You can keep the light position and continue to hold it, waiting for the market to further stabilize and rise, and do not make new points today. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Laudai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Schopenhauer.